What's up guys, Eric Verus Engineering. We are going to be doing a little coolant cap install cover. This is a coolant cap cover for the GR Corolla. This may fit other Toyotas, but for sure it fits the Corolla. Ultimately, no tools required. It's going to take probably 20 seconds. So there are 3 tangs on the back side of this. Ultimately, that's what holds this onto the cap. There's no double-sided tape, nothing else. It's basically going to go down. You're going to push pretty hard and you'll hear like a little audible click, and then this will become part of the OEM cap. Ultimately, there is a hole, and that's going to go right where that back location is, and we'll be able to install it from there. You can do this on and off car. We're going to do it on car really quickly. Just like that, you can see that the tangs are engaged on the OEM cap. This has become part of the cap. It's not coming off. All right guys, that concludes the install of our coolant cap cover for the GR Corolla. We're gonna have another cap coming for the Corolla here shortly, and some other pieces for the Corolla. Be sure to like and subscribe on our various outlets. Thanks for watching. Until next time.